Hey, hey guys, what's up? Today we are watching some real aeroplane disasters on Besiege, which is a game, but it costs money. It costs 12. If you're in the UK, it costs £12. I have no idea how it would cost in any other countries. Yeah, £12 if you're in the UK. It's on Steam. And yeah, shout out to Neoverse because he is an absolute legend. He does these so well. Let's go. So, Neo, can you do flight 967 Amavia? Survivors 0, fatalities 113. Controlled flight into water due to pilot error. I can't read all of that quick. Is that a YouTube plane? No, it's not. What is he doing? The runway's there. Oh my god. Fatalities. Oh, it was like in the thing. Fatalities 113, survivors 0. And JAT 367. I can't read that. Oh my god. The plane just exploded. The plane basically exploded. Oh my god. Bro's dead. Bros is dead. Fatality is 27, survivors 1. Of the 28 on board, 27 were killed upon impact and 1 Siberian crew member, Vesna Volovic, 1950 to 2016, survived. She holds the Guinness World Record for surviving the highest fall without a parachute at 10,160 meters, 33,330 feet. Wow. That was on the plane crash that just happened. Oh wow, that's actually impressive. You should do 2144 crash. Optical failure. This is like a fighter jet plane. Oh, bro's coming up. Oh no. Wow, that just went bang. Fatality 6, survivors 0. I can see why there was only 6 people on there, because if there's 0 survivors and 6 fatalities, that means there's only 6 people on there, because it wasn't a proper plane, it was like a fighter plane. New Britannia Airways flight something. Shut up. I wish I had YouTube Premium, but I'm too broke, so please hit that subscribe button to help me out and like one. What is that plane? That plane is 4 engines, and this is the weirdest plane I've ever seen in my life. I don't think anyone has survived that. Well, it might have, because there's just 19 survivors. Can do a whole Aloha Airlines. I can't say it. I don't know. Bro, land on the runway, not on the grass, please. Bro, you missed the runway. How? I hope this isn't me one day. I want to be a pilot. So I hope this isn't. 133 people survived that and only 3 died. Hacks and that's us. Why can't he take off? Oh, he can. Bro, he is slow. That is a slow plane. Some would have survived that. Oh, never mind. Everyone died. Pilot error, stall. This is a cargo plane. Whenever you hear that beeping, that means the plane is stalling. Oh. Oh my god. The roof came off. They're just getting sucked out now. Bro, you're going too low. You're going too low. Rita. Now you can go a bit lower. Now you can go a bit lower. Go a bit lower and then. A bit lower, come on. Yeah, you're good. You're good, bro. Yeah, everyone survived that. 1 died. That was a perfect landing, just because in this game, everything will, something will it'll get destroyed if something touches it. So that actually would be a fine landing, so I can see why only 1 died. Probably because it was the roof coming off and someone got sucked out. Tariq, pull up, pull up. Some survived that. Yeah, 50 survived and 125 died. Instrument malfunction, pilot error. That's a Q400 right there. I know it is. I really want this game, but I'm broke. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! And guys, actually, quick shout out. I am actually going to fly a Beechcraft plane with my money. I have 100. I have like 100 and yeah, I have like 120 pounds. No, 115 pounds I have, and I said I was broke, but I'm using it on thingy. So yeah, let's go. Pull up. The plane just got into a mushed potato. 0 survivors, fatality 74. Yay, I love your videos. Well, I didn't read it. Crashed after takeoff foot. Bro, let me read. Bro, why are you going sideways? Three. Pull up. Pull up. Dead. Well, not all of them. I don't think all of them would have died. Okay, no, all of them died. And guys, that's it for this video. Goodbye, guys. Hope you liked watching this video. If you liked watching this video, please subscribe. Bye, guys.